Future dream. A future dream for Rohingya. A land of peace, a place to call home, where dignity and rights are known, and persecution is unknown. A home where children can play, where families can live without fear, where education is open to all, and the future is bright and clear. A land where justice is upheld and the rule of law is strong, where the Rohingya can flourish and their culture can carry on. So let's all strive for this dream, for a future where all are free, where Rohingya can live in peace and our dignity is guaranteed.